Good morning, and thought I'd just take a little bit more video. But look at how beautiful. Down through there, you can see the lake through the trees. Here next week, it's supposed to be 60-some degrees. So winter hopefully is coming to the end down here in Lake of the Ozarks. Shoot, one of the restaurants on the lake opens back up. Shout out to DogDays. Will be opened up on February 28th, and I think their first band is on Saturday, March 1st. Be there. It's going to be a great time. Another great spring and summer in Lake of the Ozarks. So hopefully this is the end of the snow and onwards. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.